Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send XRP from KuCoin to MetaMask in 2025. If you're holding XRP on KuCoin and want to move it to your MetaMask wallet for more control or DeFi opportunities, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but remember, crypto involves risks, so double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. First things first, make sure you have both a KuCoin account with XRP in it and MetaMask set up on your device. Note that XRP is on the XRP ledger, not Ethereum, so you'll need to use a bridge or wrapped version if integrating with MetaMask. Check for the latest 2025 updates on official sites. Step 1. Open your KuCoin app or website and log in securely. Head over to the Assets or Wallets section and find your XRP balance. Step 2. Click on Withdraw next to XRP. You'll need to enter the recipient address. Now, for MetaMask. Go to your MetaMask extension, create a new account if needed, and switch to a network that supports XRP interactions, like a bridged solution. Copy the address from MetaMask. Ensure it's the correct one for XRP transfers. Step 3. Paste that address into the KuCoin withdrawal form. Enter the amount you want to send, but don't forget to leave room for network fees, which can vary in 2025. Review the details carefully, then confirm the transaction. KuCoin might require 2FA for security, always enable it. Step 4. Once submitted, monitor the transaction on the XRP Ledger Explorer. It could take a few minutes to a few hours to confirm. In MetaMask, check your wallet to see if the XRP has arrived. If you're using a bridge, you might need an extra step to claim it. And there you have it. That's how you transfer XRP from KuCoin to MetaMask in 2025. Always verify addresses to prevent losses, and stay updated with crypto news. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more guides. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.